Use of in, on and under. A. Look at the pictures and write in, on or under. A. The cat is in the box. B. The man is under a fan. C. The boy is on the tree. D. A fish is in the glass. E. The bird is on the hut. F. The man under a tree.
If you enjoyed the video, please like and share it with your friends. Do not forget to click the bell icon to subscribe for more such fun learning videos.